Boys and girls, it's Miss Holub, and we are going to conclude our week of learning about the farm. I hope you enjoyed it, and we are going to be listening to a book, and I want your purpose for reading is to listen to the sounds of the animals that we hear, okay? And then we're actually going to hear some live sounds of the animals, and then you are going to determine if you can match the sound that you hear to the animals that you see. So first, we're going to read the book. Are you ready? Here we go.
Old MacDonald Had a Farm, written by James Dean. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck-cluck here and a cluck-cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck-cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof-woof here and a woof-woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof-woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink-oink here and an oink-oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink-oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow-meow here and a meow-meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow-meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
All right, I hope you like that book. How many of you heard of that song before? I have two. Oh, there's my cat, Mama Moo. So now we're going to practice some animal sounds, okay? Here we go.
Cow. Horse. Pig.
Can you make a pig noise? Go make a pig noise right now. All right. Ooh, I hear all those little piggies.
Turkey. Goose. Sheep.
Will you do that? You do bah, bah.
Hopper.
That one's kind of hard. Teep, teep.
Rooster.
Ooh, hear me though, cockadoodles. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fun Miss Holub fact. I used to have that as my alarm, and that was super fun.
Goat. Chicken.
Can you cluck like a chicken?
Cat. Dog. Duck.
Okay, was that fun? Was that fun doing the meow, the kitty meow? One that they did not do that I want to do is the horse one, okay? So can you make the sound of a horsey? Neigh, neigh. Good job. Horsey sound makes neigh, neigh. So for your activity today, oh my goodness, what do we get to do? If we go back here, it tells us what we're doing today. It says you will determine the correct animal sounds you hear. Okay, so you're going to click each one. I've done an example for you. So let's hear what this sound makes. Can you hear that? Let me turn it up again. That's right. It belongs to a rooster. So with your tablet, you should be able to click the little writing pencil and then draw your line. Or you can go over here to your tools and grab the line from there. You're going to do that for each slide. And then, of course, click turn in like always. And why? Why is this important to conclude our farm week? Because if you were a farmer and you lost one of your animals, oh my goodness, it would be so helpful to know what sound they make so you could easily locate or find them. All right. And have a marvelous Friday. All right. We'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, Wildcats. Bye-bye.